So solve the given LPP graphically. Minimize z equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Subject to the constraints x plus 2y less than or equal to 8 or 3x plus 2y less than or is equal to 12, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So taking equations, find the points passing through these two lines here. So make a chart like this here. So x plus 2y less than type inequality here. You want to take your equations equal to sign. Write it two times. Even here also 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Take equal to sign here. And write it two times the same equation. Then take x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. You know x equal to 0 is the equation of y axis here. And this is the equation of x axis. Okay. Now put x equal to 0. Then 2y is equal to 8. 2y is equal to 8 here. Take it to right hand side here. Sorry. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, x value is 0. Y value 4 here. Take care dash. And take care dash. Then put y value 0. X equal to 8. Therefore, x value is 8, y value is 0. 8, comma 0. Then now put x 0 here. 2y is equal to 12. Therefore, 12 upon 2 becomes 6 here. Take care dash. So 0, comma 6. And here take a dash. Put y value 0 here. 3x is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12 here. 3 ones are 3 fours are cancels here. X equal to 4. Therefore, 4, comma 0. Okay. Therefore, here these are the 2 points here. This line x plus 2y is equal to 8 here. The line passing through these 2 points here. And here 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 here. This line passing through these 2 points here. Okay. We are using the equation here. We get these 2 points. Here we are using these equations. We get these 2 points here. So plot the graph here. Therefore, 0, 4 is the point on the y-axis here. This point here, 0, 4. And 8, 0 is this point here. 8, comma 0. Point lies on the x-axis here. Then join these 2 points here like this. You should draw the diagram in graph sheet only. That is important here. Next, 0, 6 is this point here. Point lies on the y-axis. And 4, 0, point lies on the x-axis here. Therefore, join these 2 points here. Okay. Next, both are less than type inequalities are there. Both are less than type. Therefore, shading is below this these lines here. Below lines. Suppose if you take this equation here. Okay. Here this equation is given by x plus 2y is equal to 8. And the equation of this line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 here. Okay. Suppose if you take this line here at less than type inequality here, therefore shading is below the line here, like this. Shading is below the line. Okay, then if you take this line here, even here also less than type inequality. Again, shading is below the line here. So both shading are below the line only. Both shadings meet at this region here. So this is called a feasible region. This is the origin here. Take this point as a A. This is a A. This point as a B, and this point as a C. So O, A, B, C. This is the feasible region here. Okay. And the coordinate of the point B from this diagram, x coordinate is 2 here, and y coordinate is 3. Therefore, 2, 3 here. Okay. X coordinate is 2 here, and y coordinate 3. So coordinate of point B is 2, 3 here. Therefore, corner points of feasible region are O, A, B, C here. Okay. And in examination, you not showed like this here. So you can shade only this region also, because this line shading is below, this line shading is below. Both shadings meet here only. Therefore, you can draw in the examination only this much here. It's not necessary to shade all the. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸಸರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, therefore ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ you have to write the scale. That is important here. Scale. So on x axis here, x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit here, and on the y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit here. Therefore, the corner points of feasible region are corner points of feasible region are origin here 0, 0, and coordinate of point A, so 4, 0. Coordinate of the point B here, so 2, 3, and coordinate of the point C 0, 4 here. 0, 4. Here we want to find a minimum value of the function here. So minimum value of the function here, objective function is z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y is there. It is the objective function here. Then take your points. So take a point origin is 0, 0, and the point A, so 4, 0, and the point B, so 2, 3, and C 0, 4, 0, 4. Okay, then substitute x and y values here. So z is equal to minus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, it becomes 0. Then z is equal to minus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0. 4 is 12 here, so minus of 12. Then z is equal to minus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 3. 3 2s are 6, minus 6, and 3 these are 9 plus 9. 9 minus 6 becomes 3. Then z is equal to minus 3 into 0 plus sorry, here 4 is there, 4 into 3. So 4 these are 12 here. 12 minus 6 becomes 6 here. Then 4 into 4, so it is 0, so So 16 is equal to 16 here. Okay, therefore here it is a minimization problem here. Okay, here minimum value is a minus 12 here. So minimum value is a minus 12. So at a point 4 comma 0, LPP has a minimum value. Therefore optimal solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0, minimize z is equal to minus 12. Yes. So this is the answer here. In examination, you should draw this diagram in a graph sheet only. Okay, that is important. Yeah. So in examination, they will supply you the graph sheet here, or to ask in the examination.